Nice.
Hello, Haripriya. Acha, we in the last class we have completed the parabola, na? We have to practice questions in this. Did you solve question, Haripriya, from parabola?
Yes, sir. I tried a few of them.
Acha, let me solve some question. Let me make you solve some question. Then we'll see. Then we'll move on to the next topic. That's ellipse. What did you do, Haripriya, in this week? Whole week? What did you do?
I have upcoming tests. I prepared for that. I solved a few questions from that JEE mains.
That's a mains book. Hmm. Try solving this question. Since this parabola is completed, let's solve this. Let's solve some good questions. This. Hello, Diva.
Hello, sir.
क्या किया तुमने इस छुट्टी में 7 दिन जो मैंने क्लास नहीं ली थी?
सर वीएमसी का ही करा काम.
मॉड्यूल्स वगैरह क्वेश्चंस?
यस सर, स्कूल का और वीएमसी का.
तुम्हारे स्कूल के एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो गए हैं? कब होने वाले हैं?
सर मेरे वीकली होते हैं.
वीकली होते हैं? अच्छा अच्छा. Are you getting idea? Or is it difficult?
So I'm not able to get the coordinates of point Q.
Coordinate of point Q. Wait. Consider the parabola with vertex is this. Vertex is this means. Acha, see. Vertex is this, and the directrix is y is equal to half. So the directrix is above. If I draw it properly, from this way you have to get the idea. Y is equal to half is the directrix. So your parabola has to be like this way. Downwards. Or it can be that way also. It can be upward also, na? What do you think? Yes, na, it can be upward also. We do not know. It can be like this also. Because the y coordinate is 3 by 4. It's more than 2 by 4 means it's more than this. So it is upwards. The first one is wrong. It's not like this. It's moving upwards. Like that will be. Okay? Yes? So the equation of parabola, my equation of parabola should be, it's x square is equal to 4ay. So it is x minus half whole square is equal to 4 into a into y minus 3 by 4. Okay?
So why can't we take the downward case?
Downward case, how it's possible? See, downward means the coordinate, this coordinate 3 by 4 has to be less than half na. Half is this distance. Acha, you are telling like that, going downwards.
Yes. So like the
Mhm.
original case that you took, then you.
But how, in that case, how will you draw the directrix for that? Directrix won't be here. See, the other case you could take is, see, this 3 by 4 is actually greater than 2 by 4, which is half. Correct? So the vertex is actually lying above the directrix. Correct?
Yes.
But when we know what we know about the directrix is equal to the distance of the focus, which is A, and the distance of the vertex from the directrix is actually same. So the directrix lies actually behind the vertex, not towards the parabola. It always lies behind the vertex. That you know, na? So the vertex has to be this. The directrix has to be this way. If I draw the other way like this, then the parabola will be cutting the directrix. It's not possible according to the definition of directrix. Directrix is not the line which cuts the parabola. It does not cut the parabola. It actually lies behind the parabola. That you know. So the only choice that you have is this, the red one. Understood? Hmm. Now tell me, how will you find out the value of A? Is there anything you can do to find out the value of A?
So from what I remember, from the directrix we will get A.
Because see, the distance of the vertex from the directrix is actually equal to A. And this distance is half the below one. This distance is half below one. And this distance, if I draw properly, why it is hanging? I should have taken a new page. That's what I am telling. The distance of the vertex from the x-axis is 3 by 4. If you minus 3 by 4 from half, you'll get the value of a. Actually, this OneNote wants me to change the page. That's why it is hanging like this. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
The value of a is 3 by 4 minus that. 3 by 4 minus half. Okay, let me change the page actually. What is this happening? Page. Hmm. Copy the question quickly. It's wasting too much time actually. Hmm. Okay now. Now there won't be problem. See what I was saying. So according to this, our parabola should be. Let me draw it very quickly. Where is this? Where is this? Draw. Okay. So our directrix was here. Y is equal to half, and our parabola is like this. This we have found. This is our vertex, and the point of the vertex is 1 by 2 comma 3 by 4, and we know this distance is equal to a, and this distance is actually equal to half. And this distance we know from the coordinate, it is 3 by 4. So what will be A? A should be equal to 3 by 4 minus half. So it will be 1 by 4. Correct? So the equation of parabola that we should have is y minus 3 by 4, sorry, x square is equal to 4ay type. So x minus half whole square is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into y minus 3 by 4. Okay, so the equation that we have, the parabola, is x minus half whole square is equal to y minus 3 by 4. That I was trying to say there. Now once you have got the parabola equation, they have given the point P. P is the point where the parabola meets the line x is equal to minus half. Actually, I have drawn the parabola like this, but the parabola has to be much bigger than this, like this. And there is a line x is equal to minus half, which cuts it at some point P, that you can find if you want. P x coordinate is minus half, y coordinate you can find by putting in this. Okay, how? I'm telling you how you will find Q. Yes, Diva? So x is minus half whole square is equal to y minus 3 by 4. So it will be 1 plus 3 by 4 is equal to y. So y should be 7 by 4. So the point P should be minus half comma 7 by 4. Correct? Now they are saying if the normal to the parabola at P intersects the parabola again at Q. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the equation of normal at P. Can you find out the equation of normal at P? Diva, Haripriya, are you able to? Or do you want me to do it?
Please show her. I cannot.
See, let me show you. See, the normal, how do we find? We have found out the equation of parabola. It is x minus half whole square is equal to y minus 3 by 4. And we know the slope of the normal, slope of the tangent is what? Dy by dx at that point. Minus half comma 7 by 4. So I'll find out the tangent slope and I'll find out the normal slope as minus 1 by 12 slope of the tangent. These all things I have told you in the previous classes, and I think because I was absent for 7 days, you have forgot everything. Otherwise, it was not difficult. See how we'll do dy by dx, how I'll find dy by dx is equal to differentiating this equation, above equation first one, is equal to 2 into x minus half. And the value is 2 into minus half at the point, it's minus 2. So the slope of the normal will be the minus of the reciprocal of the minus of the reciprocal. So minus 1 by minus 2, it will be 1 by 2. This is the slope of normal. Now if you want to find out the equation of normal, point we know at which we have to find out the equation, that is your what, minus half comma 7 by 4 P point. So equation will be y minus 7 by 4 is equal to the normal slope 1 by 2 into x plus half. Find out this equation. This will be your equation of normal. Y minus 7 by 4 is equal to x by 2 plus 1 by 4. So y is equal to x by 2 plus 7 plus 1, 8 by 4 plus 2. So 2y x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the normal. Now, once if you want to find out q, you have to solve this equation again with the parabola. Diva, getting it? How you will find out the value of q, point q? Hello, 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 hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. You have to solve this equation, normal equation, again with the parabola equation. Let me solve it. When you solve it, one point you will get as p, other point you have is your point. Let me show you how you'll do it. The equation of this is this. Let me use this equation. Parabola equation is x minus half whole square is equal to y minus 3 by 4. So x minus half whole square is y is x by 2 plus 2, x by 2 plus 2, 5 by 4. No. What I'm doing? 2 minus 3 by 4. 5 by 4 only. So you have to solve this equation. Minus 1. 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Can you get its roots? It's easy actually. Minus 4x plus x minus 2. See, 2x plus 1 into x minus 2. So the one value of x that you will get is x is equal to minus half. Other value is x is equal to 2. You have already got the point where this normal is intersecting is minus half. So the other point, x coordinate of q should be 2. And when you put the x value 2, you'll get the y coordinate. Nine by 4 is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Y is 3. The q point is 2, 3. Okay. Now once you get q, find out using distance formula, you find out pq. And check the answer. Tell me, did you understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
Simple thing. See,
I think
actually,
we need to revise once again.
actually, you guys actually you did not revise it. Actually, 7 days the gap was there. Now I actually did not want to put this much gap, but could not do anything. So that's why you lost touch. The concept was simple. What about you, Haripriya? Up till where you solved it? Solve this question.
But I was struggling to find you.
You found out the equation of normal, na?
Yes, sir.
Equation of normal. You have to just solve the equation of normal with the parabola. One point you already know, the x coordinate is minus half, you'll get. Other point should be your point. And once you find PQ, P and Q, just use the distance formula to get it. Let me solve it. P point you have got, P point is minus half, comma what? 7/4, and Q point is 2, 3, I think. No? So the PQ square will be 2 plus half whole square, 3 minus 7/4 whole square, 25/4 plus 25/16. So 25 into 5/16. It's 125/16. Is there anything? B. B is the answer. PQ square. Do you want me to give one more question? You remember na, Diva and Haripriya, you remember na how to find out the equation of tangent and all? Parametric forms, everything I have told you.
Yes, sir. But can you again tell about the tangent of parabola?
See, when I'm giving you question na, if you fail to recall anything, just ask me. I'll make you remember. Then in the next class, you try to. Next class also I'll take this the practice questions of parabola. After you become comfortable, I'll move on to the next one. Coordinate geometry is very important. It's very high weightage. Diva, what they are doing in your coaching?
Sir, actually, we are quite behind. We are still like, we just started circles.
So they just started circles.
Yes. And then they'll do conic sections separately.
Why?
After circles, they will do conic sections.
After circles, they will do. It has to be done because formulas are same, no? And what chapter they have completed, which we have not done?
Sir, in maths, so I think we are running ahead. In physics, they have done like we've done fluid and we have started solid mechanics. Like we've done half of it.
Don't worry. Acha, gravitation and all, they have completed everything, na?
So gravitation has also finished.
Finished? Nah, don't worry. Because this fluid I have started for you, but fluid it will be completed. We will again go ahead of them. Because the way they complete it's very slow. I know. Don't worry. We have covered. Acha, in physics, I have taught you to do those questions, na? The buoyancy questions and those questions. Could you solve them now?
Yes, sir, I was able to do.
Don't worry. This week we'll get ahead of them. Yes, or by next week we'll be ahead of them. But it's recommended that you revise these concepts. The circles concept, na, the few concepts I've told you, na, they are actually repeated, like the equation of tangent and the equation of chord of contact and equation of chord with midpoint. Those formulas I have told you, na, some short formula I have given. T is equal to 0, SS1 is equal to T square, T is equal to S1. Those types of formulas I have given you, na. Those things are actually they actually get repeated. See what I'm talking about, I'll show you it. This is normal. It's a tangent. Tangent I have given. Oh, what is happening in this page? I don't understand. Acha, I did not tell you by only tangent and normal. Tangent, normal, and the parametric form I have told you. Equation of tangent and slope form I have told. These formulas. See, these formula I am talking about. If you see, these formulas were same for circle also. Equation of pair of tangent to the parabola, SS1 is equal to t square. This one. Equation of chord of contact, t is equal to 0. Equation of chord with midpoint, t is equal to S1. These formulas, tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, everything I have told you. But these formulas, these three formulas, equation of chord with midpoint, equation of chord of contact, equation of pair of tangent, these actually they remain same. They will again repeat for the ellipse and all. So it's recommended that you remember these. If you remember them, you will be able to solve questions very quickly. You will be able to understand those concepts easily because you can relate them. So revise them today, or at least tomorrow also you have. Tomorrow will be physics. So before day after tomorrow, revise them.
Okay, so
Try to do this question. If you want any conceptual help, I'll tell you. What happened? You're not able to solve this question? Acha, are you able to understand this question? What is this? Diva? Haripriya?
Sir, I have drawn a diagram, but I think it is wrong only.
Acha, it means you're not getting the idea. What about you, Haripriya? Haripriya is solving.
Sir, I'm solving, but I don't know where I'm going.
Let me show you. Let me draw the diagram and then give you the hint how you will solve it. If then also you are not able to, I'll show you how to solve. Tangent line L is drawn at the point 2, minus 4 on the parabola. Your parabola is y square is equal to 8x. That means your parabola is y square is equal to 4ax type. So the y square is equal to 4 into 2 into x, 8x. And they want 2, minus 4. So this is your point. Tangent is drawn at this point. Okay, we'll draw it. No problem. We've drawn the tangent. If the line L is acha, if the line L is also tangent to the, if the line L, this line L that we have drawn, tangent, is also tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. This is our circle. So they want what is the value of a. Now see what is my concept. You have to, you know how to find out the equation of tangent. Tangent to the parabola at 2, minus 4, that's easy for you. Now the center of the circle is 0, 0. From this center, if I say the length of perpendicular from this center to this tangent shouldn't be equal to a because the radius is a, no, sorry. Shouldn't it be equal to root a because the radius of the given circle which is given to us is x square plus y square is equal to a, that is root a whole square. So the radius of the circle is root a and the center is 0, 0. What, Haripriya? Diva? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first you have, what you have to do is you have to first find out the equation of tangent at 2, minus 4 to this parabola, and then you have to find out the length of perpendicular from 0, 0 to this tangent. That should be equal to root a. Both formulas you know. You know these formulas now, or you want me to remember, make you remember? Tangent you may be knowing, but length of perpendicular from a point x1, y1 to the line is in straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the line. And this distance d is given by mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. That. And this ax plus by plus c here will be the equation of tangent. Biggest hint. Now try to solve it quickly. You understood, na? Still having doubt? Solve it. Then also you are not getting, I'll solve it quickly. After this it's easy, very easy. See, let me show you. Equation. Let me find out the equation of tangent since you are not able to solve by equation of tangent by shortcut. I can find. I already know the equation of tangent is y by 1 is equal to that. I think you have to, you guys have to revise concepts. You are not able to solve single one. Tangent is shortcut. Y by 1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1.
There is it 2.
The 2, it's 2, correct. It will be y into, let me solve it. Y is equal to minus 4 is equal to 8, 2 into x plus 2. So the equation of tangent will be minus 4y is equal to 4x. The 4 I can cancel them out. So directly I'll write x plus y plus 2. This is tangent. Now if you want the value of a, it's just you have to find out the distance of perpendicular from 0, 0 to the line. It will be 0 plus 2 divided by root 2. That's 1 square plus 1 square. This is root a. So 2 by root 2, root a. So root a will be equal to root 2. So the value of a is 2. Diva? आ गया?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you one question as homework and try to just, here you have time, so you try to just understand the question and try to see if you are able to solve. If you want hint, I can give you, but in the next class revise the concept, then it will be easy for you. Not giving the tough one. This kind of question I think I have given. I think you may try it. You may try to solve this one, because this you will find a little bit easier. Manishka is still having exams. Try to see this. See, these are all JEE main questions. 2021. In the JEE main, you will be getting these kinds of questions only. Try to understand this. This mirror image type question you have already done. So you have to find out the locus, like we have already done. And then you have to find out the equation of tangent. You won't be able to do this question until you find out the locus. Haripriya, Diva, did you remember? Which question I am talking about? The similar one. See this question. Let me show you. This one. Where is that mirror image question? You remember this one? Mirror image of the directrix of the parabola in the line. I have assumed a point P with one variable, tried to find out the image of that, and after finding out the image, I try to find out the locus. Similar to that kind, you have to find out the locus of that locus of your image in this question also. After you find out the locus, what I have done here, found out the image Q that came in one variable, and then I try to remove the variable to find out the locus. Once you find out the locus, you have to find out the equation of tangent at the given point on that locus. That's all. You remember?
Yes, I remember this question.
This kind of thing only you have to do. One hint I'll give you, the point on the parabola y square is equal to 4x that you will be assuming, you can assume, whose mirror image, the point P, you can assume as lambda comma, if you assume lambda, or it's better you assume y. Take the point P as lambda comma lambda square by 4. Taken y as lambda and x will be lambda square by 4. The point P is here, the point P is in one variable, lambda square by comma lambda. Then you have to find out its mirror image in the line y is equal to x. Get it as Q. That Q also, using the mirror formula, that mirror image formula, that Q also you'll get in one variable, some lambda, function of lambda. And then put it as y and x and then eliminate lambda. You'll get locus. Required locus you'll get. And then on this, the required locus, the curve that you will get, on that you have to find out the equation of tangent at 2, 1. This is the biggest hint for you. If you are still, take it as homework, revise it. If you are still not able to do, and solve in the class. Okay. Okay. Let's end it.
Nice.
Bye bye.